Hey Picture Perfect family, today we're going to show y'all how to sign up for our client portal and give you a little bit of information on what all you can access through the portal. So first you're going to want to go to our website, pictureperfectlawn.net, and click on the client login button. Here you're going to click on the sign up button and you're going to type in the email address that we have on file. Once you've typed that in, you're going to click the submit button and it's going to automatically send you an email with a link to create your password. So you're going to go over to your email. It should look like this. Then you're going to copy and paste this link into your browser. Now to give you the option to type in whatever password you want to use. You will have to type it in twice just to verify that you've put it in the way you want to put it in, and hit update. Now you'll be able to log in using that same email and that same password. Now if you're like me and you always forget your passwords, you're going to want to check the remember me button before you hit login. Once you've logged in, this is what your client portal is going to look like. If you have a past due balance, you'll see it here. If you have an available credit, you'll see that over here. If you come over here and click on billing info, you'll be able to see all of your information, and this is where you'll be able to update your card information. You go in, you'll type in your card number, the expiration date, and the security code. It's 3 digits on the back, or if it is American Express, it's the 4 digits on the front. And then you'll click the add card button. Once you click that, it'll take you back to this screen, and you would be able to see right here the last 4 digits and the expiration of your card. Then you always want to make sure you hit the submit changes button at the bottom right if you make any changes. Now back up here at the top, you always want to verify that the mobile number and the email on file are your correct cell phone and email, because this is where all call aheads and leave behinds will now be sent. If you go over here to my services, you'll be able to see the list of all the services that are on your account, as well as the cost of each service. You'll also be able to see the status of the service. If it's pending, that means it's not scheduled. If it says scheduled, then it's scheduled. And if it says completed, then it has already been completed. Click on my properties. That shows you your different properties if you have more than one being serviced by us. And then the notes section, where if we have any notes for you, that's where they'll be listed.